interviewed Grant Mcintosh on his amazing career with Naval Investigative Service, which became NCIS. It's an amazing story and really typical of the agents back in the day that were basically put into mission methodology. Grant was sent to Lebanon to support Marines on the ground there in a peacekeeping mission when 241 service members, mostly Marines, died in an explosion by a terrorist who drove it. Grant, along with one other individual who was a Marine CID agent, conducted
president of the country, and he was trying to hold it together and with these different coalitions and trying to get things happening. And it was just